Ever found yourself needing your Nedbank account number in a pinch? Let's dive right into how to find it quickly and easily using the Nedbank app. First, open the Nedbank Money app on your smartphone. Make sure you have the latest version installed for the best experience. Enter your PIN or use your fingerprint or facial recognition to log in securely. Once you're logged in, you'll see your account overview. Look for the account you want to check. Tap on the specific account you need. The account number for this will take you to the account details screen. On the account details screen, you should see a section labeled Account Details. Within the Account Details section, you will find your full account number displayed clearly. You can easily copy the number to your clipboard. You can also share the account details directly from the app. And that's it. You've successfully found your Nedbank account number using the Nedbank app. Now you can easily complete transactions using the account number you just found.